Hi everyone, my name is Austin Zollner and this is my introduction for AEP 873. So here are some basics about me. I'm 25 years old. I'll be beginning my fourth year of teaching sixth grade math and social studies in Moorhead, Minnesota, it's a city right across the river from Fargo, North Dakota. I teach at a Title I low-income school. The average graduating class is around 550 to 600. Class sizes are usually around 28 to 30. With all the stuff that's going on, it might be around 22 to 25 this fall because we have an online-only option, which would decrease class sizes. The school, the most common language is English, and then we do have a very prominent Kurdish population, so that is probably the second most popular language. Our mascot, if you didn't see, we are the Moorhead Spuds, so big potato farming community around here as well. So a little bit more personal basics about me. I ran cross country, indoor and outdoor track in college. I'm really passionate about personal finance, financial independence, and retiring early, which is kind of summarized by this FIRE movement, if you were to Google that. I do sort of moonlight on the side as a financial coach. I've created a blog and social media sites to promote my services because I do think that financial independence and financial literacy are one of the least utilized skills that really need to be taught in school. On top of that, kind of on the side, I donate plasma, I drive for Uber, I coach middle school cross country, Nordic skiing and track, and then actually in the summers I sell fireworks out of a tent. So I'm a pretty busy guy, no kids or family or anything, so that's how I keep myself busy. In terms of future goals, I'm already sort of a tech leader in the school, but more just about the basics. Just simple things about Google Slides, Google Docs. I taught one of my coworkers how to do a hyperlink, and it was her last year of teaching, so that was kind of cool that on her last year I was able to teach her some of those very basic skills. In the future, I would love to take up a different position in the district, especially as some sort of instructional coach or something technology related, essentially. And then sort of a broader long-term goal, I hope to retire completely from paid work in about 20-ish years. So that's with that whole financial independence goal in mind. So this little introduction really focuses on understanding professional interests and how we as leaders can shape and accelerate a shared vision and use technology to engage people around us. So again, my name is Austin Zollner. Thank you so much for watching.